So this is the QC form that we do once your vans are repaired. Just goes through all work completed, all the parts fitted, make sure that the van's clean inside and outside, as well as if there's any backwater parts, you guys are made aware of it so we can get you back to do the repairs. Handover images, just document for the insurance company or for you guys later on down the track if there's any dramas. So that's for my side of it. Then we've got the production manager. His side is he goes through, makes sure all the lights are working, all the work's completed, repairs are done to the best of standard. Yeah, that's pretty much it.